Okay, we're breaking another car again. It's a fire car. It says fire department on the side. See? Stop backing up. Okay. This should break easily. Bottom's really soft plastic. Okay. Yep, some of the bottom already cracked off. Okay.
Did already?
Yeah. Some of it broke off already, but I don't know where it is. Okay. I'm gonna try again.
Where did it land? Oh.
Okay. This part that goes right there came off. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, car.
Okay.
The other pieces are on this from the last car.
Okay.
Don't videotape the car. They don't want to be on YouTube. As soon as the car passes, then we're going to do the other car. Okay. Get out of the street. It's turning around.
I know.
Okay. Don't trip. And don't break my camera.
Revenge! Go!
Whoa, that went over that far.
Where'd it go?
Look, it's like a deck. It's like you're holding a deck of cards.
Hey, where's the other piece?
I don't know. They all go together like that. There's the bottom. That piece went over that
Let me
somehow.
see.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, gonna try again.
Revenge!
Whoa!
It burst!
You get that? Where's the rest?
I don't know.
Look around on the floor. What is that?
I broke it.
What is it?
I don't want my dad to see it.
What is it?
The things, well...
Okay.
Okay.
This is what we have left of the car.
I got this.
Which?
What? Right here. We're making a video. What? Can I let my dad be in the video?
With his permission.
Hey, Dad. Want to be in on YouTube? Okay.
Okay. Which piece should we break? Yeah, we should break this piece.
Yeah.
That's the
This
inside
is like
of the car.
a
That's
race.
the inside of the car. The camera on me. Okay, now I'm gonna try again. First, here, and over here.
Just put them on
There's
the chair.
the wheels.
I got the wheels.
There's this.
And just break that in.
There. It's broken. Okay. Camera on me. That's gonna end our video today. Okay, bye.